In this morning's Health Watch, getting back into shape after an injury or an operation often requires physical therapy, but sometimes that can be painful. Fox 12's Marilyn Deutsch shows us a unique piece of rehab equipment that makes therapy a little more comfortable.
This is probably as close as Portland attorney and runner Dan Peterson will ever get to suiting up in a spacesuit and experiencing the weightlessness of outer space. With a strained hip flexor, Dan's not exactly in tip-top astronaut shape, but he's about to launch himself into the vacuum of an anti-gravity treadmill. Providence physical therapist Melissa Cox programs the machine for Dan. Air pressure supports him and he runs with less strain on his joints and muscle.
It allows me to start running again without having the full impact of running just on the street.
This helps Dan with rehab, but it also lets him train without pain for October's Portland Marathon.
It unloads the joints. So for him, he's on, I think, about 75% of his body weight. So he's not getting a full impact. So he's able to run through his injuries, and those tendons and ligaments can adapt slowly over time.
The anti-gravity treadmill allows you to unload as much as 80% of your weight. At that point, you feel as though you are floating. Desirable not just for athletes, but also for those who have just had major knee or hip surgery.
Prior to this, if you had surgery or you were injured and couldn't run, we had to wait, the 6 to 8 to 12 weeks to get you walking and moving. And now we're able to actually get you right away, get you to start moving, work on those gait patterns.
Which helps you recover faster so you can return to running here on Earth or moonwalking wherever you want. Marilyn Deutsch, Good Day, Oregon.
You can learn more about anti-gravity rehab therapy at kptv.com. Just click on the Providence Health page.